So hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And guys, in today's episode, this is what you are going to design. Yes, this is an Easter church flyer. Yes, an Easter church flyer. I call it Inside the Tomb. Yes, Inside the Tomb. So quickly open your Photoshop. So you quickly launch your Photoshop and then Control N to open a new document and then do the settings. So you write the title or the name of the flyer, which is Inside the Tomb Church Flyer. Yes, any name that you want to give it to it. And then the size is 2000 by 2000. Resolution is 300, RGB color mode. And then click on create. You have this nice white background. So we start with the background. Yes, we start with the background. So we have all the resources, including the PSD file and everything. Yes, the PSD file and everything, all the resources that are used for the flyer is available. You can check up on the channel, the Telegram channel, and then download it. So quickly drop the first background and then we just click enter, then it accepts the changes. Then we want to introduce the second background, which is this. Drag and then drop it in Photoshop, and then we just click and then we accept the changes. And we want to the blending option to set it to a screen. Yes, set it to a screen, and then we add layer mask. Yes, add the layer mask, and then we brush or we clear some parts in which you don't want it away. Once you click on the layer mask, then click on B on the keyboard to activate the brush tool. We are using a soft round brush, then clear some of the unwanted part away. Then that was done. Then we add a color lookup. Yes, we added a color lookup. Yes, to change the entire design. Yes, we added a color lookup, and then as you are seeing, after introducing the color lookup, we realize that the whole thing has changed. Then we put everything together and we call it a background. Yes, put everything in a group. Control G to put everything in a group, meaning you select all the things. Yes, then Control G on the keyboard, then you put it in a group and then call it the background. So quickly we have to introduce the church logo. So this is a church logo I am introducing, which is the 11th hour prophetic ministry. It's a Facebook logo. Yes, it's a social media flyer logo. So we introduce it and put it in a group, Control G, and then call it the church logo or logo. Yes, and then after that we added our guide to make sure that we don't go overboard. Yes, we add our guide so that we don't go overboard. Everything needs to be in a guide. Yes, then we have worked on the 3D text already. We have worked already on the 3D text. So as you are seeing, so we drag and then we drop it inside the tomb. Yes, everything is there, including the 3D text effect separately, and then the 3D text mockup tool is there. So you can 3D text effect is also there. If you want to change certain things and then make it your own, then you can do so. If you want to still use this same 3D text effect, is there. So we drop it and then we bring the image. Yes, we bring the image, and yes, after introducing the image, we have to clear some part of the image away so that the sharpness of the image will go off. So we added a layer mask. Yes, I need to add a layer mask, but first of all we have to do a camera raw filter to boost the whole image up. Yes, we need to boost the whole image up to make sure that the image stands out. Yes, the image stands out. Please subscribe to this channel, like, share. Subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment. And once again, if you subscribe to this channel, make sure you click on the notification bell icon and then click for all. Yes, click for all. In so doing, whenever I drop any tutorials, everything at all, including flyers, free PSD file, Photoshop quick tips and tricks, and other things, yes, you'll be able to get it. Yes, you'll be able to get it first and then practice. Yes, I've been sharing free PSD file again, and if you have not seen it, you can cross-check the channel and then you realize we have a lot of free PSD file, premium PSD file, in which some people are selling it, but we have decided to be giving it out for free. So subscribe to this channel. All you need to do is at least subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment, so that it will encourage me to do more. So we added a layer mask into the image, then we clear some part of the image, the beneath of the image, then so that it will not be too conflicting with the background. Then we need to add the name. Yes, we need to add the name. Yes, we need to add the name to it. And then I think we added a color lookup again to the image. Yes, we're trying to add a color lookup to the image and realize that this is not perfect, so we need to also clear it and then introduce a new one. Yes, so we went through the color lookup. We have a lot of the color lookup. It's plenty. It's huge. If you have not checked and download, kindly check and then download. If you have not checked to download the color lookup on our Telegram channel, then it means you are losing a lot. You are losing a lot. So please go to our Telegram channel to download all the color lookup that we have shared so far, and then extract and install and use it for free. Yes, extract it and then put it in a separate folder, and then whenever you want to add a color lookup, you go to the adjustment layer, then look for the color lookup and then look for the folder in which you have stored in it, and then boom, you click and then you accept or you place it on it, and it changed the entire design. Yes, changes the entire design. So kindly try that and let me see, or let me know your thoughts and comments. Yes, so you can try that, you can try it, and we have a lot of them. We have been sharing a lot on our platform, on our channel, and on our Telegram page as well. We have been discussing a lot of things, and if you have not joined the family yet, then it means you are losing a lot. You are losing. That's why I always say that there are certain things that we do them and then we share it on our channel, just on our page or on our platform without posting them. So if you are here and you have not joined it, a lot of people are sharing their resources file, PSD file, and other things. So kindly join and let's go. So we add the name, which is the program is being organized with Prophet TD Jakes. Yes, and guys, let me issue this disclaimer that this flyer we are designing is for educational purpose only. We don't intend to communicate any bad thing, or we don't intend to communicate some form of anything at all. Yes, this flyer is for educational purpose only. So the font used, the image used, the names used, and other things are solely a property of those individuals. We are just using it for a tutorial purpose only. Please, let me issue this before somebody sue us for defamation and other image or font or text or any other right at all. Yes, so in case you are here and you know somebody who may also want to use the same flyer or the same image and other things, then at least you may advise the individual to at least issue a disclaimer, or he or she can use a free images, a free font, a free text effects, yes, a free things, yes. But if you want to use real people's image, then kindly issue a disclaimer. Yes, kindly issue a disclaimer so that you don't get problems later. So we added a whole lot of the details such as date, time, venue, and other relevant informations that is required for the flyer. We added on it, and then we are good to go. Please subscribe to this channel, like, share, subscribe to this channel, like, share. I have a lot of videos coming up. We are in the Easter season mood, and a lot of tutorials are coming up for this Easter flyers. So please watch out for more. Those of you who are on the WhatsApp page, I have posted about 3 or 4 upcoming tutorials. All of these flyers are coming up. They are coming up from today, tomorrow, and the next 3 days ahead of us. All those flyers are coming up. So subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment, and let me know what you think. And the password for this flyer is TOOMB. The password for this flyer is TOOMB, and it's THOMB. Yes, THOMB. TOOMB. TOOMB is the password. So, and type it in capital letters. And you are advised to use either WinRAR or 7-zip. These are the file extractors that are used to do the password. So you can use this 2 things to extract the file and then download it, extract it, and use it for free. Please subscribe to this channel, like, share. I love you. I'll see you in the next tutorials.